Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair, and I am not a person who likes curling her hair. I do like a messy look, but I don't use too many heating products like straightening my hair or curling my hair much often. So yeah, I do it very rarely, like for occasions or a party or something like that. So let's just get into the video. The curling iron I use is this from Vega. I got this very long back. It's a barrel kind of thing. It's been on for a really long time right now. So yeah, let's just get into curling my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove my clips. I still have my non-outgrown bangs. So that might look a little weird. So I'm just going to comb my hair. Always comb your hair because you don't want like tangles or anything on your hair when you are actually filming. Part your hair into two parts, like so. Like even on the sides, go all the way down and part it in two sides. So I'm just gonna do a quick curling on probably this part of my hair. I suggest you take small sections of your hair so that it doesn't it comes as a tight curl. So this is almost going to be like a beachy wave kind of a look. So yeah, I'm going to take this much hair, take my curling iron, put it here, bring it all the way to the end. This is my technique. I'm not going to put it all the way to the end. I'm going to hold the top and just take my hair all the way up and keep it here. Count probably for 15 minutes. 15 seconds. I'm extremely sorry. 15 seconds. And then just remove this and you drop it, you get a beautiful curl. It's tight, beautiful curl. So yeah, I'm just going to keep this here. Go back, get another piece, do the same thing, pull it out. If you want, like if you're very scared, okay, nothing happened. If you're very scared, you can use like gloves, but I am an adventurous person, so I don't want to use gloves. So yeah, 15 seconds. And there you go. So I'm going to quickly do this side also. I don't know exactly what do I do with the bangs. Should I like curl it up this side or what? By the way, I curl these facing outwards of my face, and I curl the ones here near my face inward. Actually wait, no, I'm sorry. These I curl it outward, like the ones near my face I curl it outward, like this much I curl it like outward, and then the ones behind I curl it inward and then outward, and I keep mixing them so that it gives a more poofy look. So this is the next strand I'm gonna do. I know some people part their hairs from behind also and do it, but I don't think that really works because I've tried it a lot of times, but I don't think that really works. And I've also tried curling my hair with a straightening iron and it does not work. Trust me. I don't know, maybe you should have like a good quality straightener and all. I have like this Vega straightener and it does not work. So I'm going to quickly do the other part, this part of my hair. So now I have reached the back of my hair, which is always a pain to do. Also guys, I'm not using any heat repellent oil or a spray or anything, which I know is bad, but as I told you in another video of my hair color, my hair does not get damaged so I don't need the use or anything, but I'll suggest some good heat heat repellents in the description box. I have no intentions in getting your hair spoiled, thinking my hair kuch nahi hoga, so even your hair nothing will happen and all. So I'm just gonna link some good hair damage control sprays down in the description box. Please do check it out. I'm almost done with this side. I'm gonna move on to this side now. Oh, I'm not done with that side. Shit. Let's see. Okay, this much. No. This much to do in this side. Which. I'm gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna curl this probably inwards if it comes. No, I'm not gonna do it inwards, I'm gonna do it outwards. I hate curling the back side of the hair because you can't see anything, like literally when I'm sweating. This is not my highlighter, this is sweat. So yeah, it's gonna be this one strand of my hair and I'm officially done with the left side of the hair. I have and done. I'm thinking what I should do to this front part. Should I just like leave it like that and then pin it up, or what is still is my I'm contemplating. Oh wow, this hair looks longer than this. So I'm gonna quickly comb this. I think I pulled one from the other side. Don't want to do anything. I think this is the first time I've actually like fully curled my hair like this, because usually what I do is I curl only like the topmost parts of my hair so that people anyway don't see like the below wala hair. So I only curl like half the part of my hair because I'm too lazy. Anyway, going to this part, I'm gonna start from behind because piche ka, trust me man, it's too ugh. And I don't like doing my right side because I feel like it's too tough doing your right side more than your left side. So yeah, let's see how it goes. After all the jhanjat, this is the final hair. I need to curl and then we are almost done. And also I thought I have bangs, so why not like straighten them out and make it like a cute look. I think that will work, right? Yeah. So yeah, this is the final product. I will probably I will obviously don't, but this is the problem with my hair. I don't really curl my hair because it in like 3-4 hours it becomes straight on its own. Oh my god, I look like I'm born in the 80s. Anyway, so I need my straightener. My straightener is also from Vega, so I'll probably be straightening my bangs and let's see how that goes. Hold on guys, this thing is so hot. I'm just gonna probably put it down, not let anything burn me. Plug this in and wait for it to like heat. So yeah, anyway, this is the look I've got. I'm waiting for this thing to kind of dry so that I can like, should I split it open now or should I split it open after I do my bangs? Oh, I already feel like this is a bad idea because my bangs are so long. I'll probably pin them up like, ugh, looks really bad. Like I really need to curl up my bangs and like I need to do this, but still looks bad. So let's see, we'll figure it out. Not some genius and all. By the way, if you also want me to make a video of straightening someone's hair, I can totally do that. Obviously not mine because it's already damn straight. But yeah, I can make a video of me straightening someone's hair which is curly or medium to curly kind of wavy kind of hair. I can do that. So I'm just gonna keep straightening these. Oh god. I shouldn't have. But yeah. Looks too long, man. Probably curl them a bit. Probably curl this, wait. What? What did I just do? What, I just straighten it out. Okay, this looks good. I'm gonna do the same thing then. Some disaster and I did, and then it turned out well. Great. This is fine. It's at least better than the nonsense I did. What am I doing? I don't understand anything. Anyway, I'm just gonna go with this. I'm gonna free my curls with my fingers. Oh my god, looks good. It looks shiny and nice. This is why I said I don't need any heat repellent or anything, but I think I should start wearing it because it's gonna be like my profession kind of a thing. So like, not profession of me curling my hair and all, but just saying, okay, this does look kind of good. Like I like this messy look. Should probably not brush it because then brush se na, it will like forever damage my hair or something. So yeah, this is the final look. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you learned how to curl your hair. Please don't burn your hands when you do it. I tried this as a fluke and it came out well, so kudos to me. So anyway, yeah, this is the final product of my hair. It looks good. At least I think that it looks good. Not used to curling my hair, but I do not. I'm waiting for my bangs to grow so that I don't have to. Okay, this little thing has to be straightened out. So yeah, I want my bangs to grow so that I can like curl my hair like I used to, and it looked so good, trust me. I'm not trying to brag and all, but then it actually looked good. So yeah, this is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed it, learned something from it. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, it would mean the world to me. Please like and subscribe also. Love you all, bye bye.